a refund from Grammarly after wrong charge. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into the support.grammarly.com, and then from there what you're going to do is submit a request. What you're going to do is simply scroll down a bit, and here you might actually find the option of billing and subscription. Tap on that one, and then from there you can actually like see for the actual answer that you're looking for, right? So if you cannot like find the actual answer here, you can actually tap on the chat option right here too, in order to chat with their AI assistant and tell them that you want to actually contact to a real person or a real customer center, or you want to submit a request. I'm pretty sure that the chat will help you out. All you need to do is simply chat with it for quite a few questions, and from there you can simply follow all of the prompt that it will give you, and I'm pretty sure when you do follow that prompt, you will be able to get your refund from Grammarly after you've got your charged wrong.